Start na ng ano natin race. So ayan na sila. So bukas yung walang release. So ang ano natin ngayon is 3 bird. So sasali natin si 155, 3796 at si yung isang young bird na si 3798. So tara dala natin sila sa club, guys.
Yeah, we get nothing in for the money. Look at this. Give me just the girls or the boys?
The boys and girls.
Both.
Girls.
You got another box?
No, that's it.
Worry.
Oh,
No, that's hen. Hen.
Rings
Right,
on,
hen.
rings are on the wrong link. Should be on this.
Put on the hen. No. Hen. Yeah. Your
On the wrong link. Getting pretty low. No, you put it pretty much. Things on the
This one is 10. That's it.
Long 3 at isang long 10.
Yep. Then
Long 3 at isang long 10.
Oh, you're the one with the nice hamper.
There.
Oh, it doesn't always have the best for at the bottom.
Is it?
You see this?
alright.
Heard that once or twice.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
You're going to pay me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to go to Hidden Pairs,
Hidden Pairs and
Raffle, and Nom.
No.
The Nom is $20,
Yep.
and $2 for $2 each. $24 altogether.
See you tomorrow, mate. Tara, abang na lang natin bukas. Gagaling na lang natin sa trabaho. So, hindi natin inabutan sila, guys. Ito, nagdating na, halos 14 na. So, ayan, sino kayo nauna? Ang nauna natin ay si 3796. Ayan, pero kasama yan sa 3 bird natin. Pero yung nom natin ay si 155 pang-apat. 1048 na siya. Tapos yung isa natin si 3798 pansampu siya. Late na. Okay na, andyan naman sila. 1048. So andyan na sila, guys. So 14. So kulang pa tayo ng 3. Ayan na sila. Yung dumi, di pa magilinis. Ayan, may 155. Pinayaya natin. Yung first clutch nga. So ayan na si, guys. Ito yung nauna natin, si 3796 kak. Ayan, kulang pa tayo ng 3. Kulang pa. Ito yung survivor natin pang ito. Ito pang 60 natin. Pasok. Ayan, ilan pa ako na. Dalawa pa, pang 15 pa lang. 17 yung ano natin. So isa pa ako lang. Dalawa pa naman. So ito na tayo guys. Ayan na sila. So ayan 17. 11:40. Kompleto na tayo. So ayan guys, tara. Fishing natin. Talo tayo sa fundraise. Ganun talaga. Next time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bells. And see you on next vlog.